This boring brown desk was too big to bring home. Let's do an in-office desk makeover. Wipe on with a rag in the direction of the wood grain. Pull back as necessary. Apply 2 thin, even coats. Make sure that you're waiting long enough in between coats. The surface needs to be dry, not tacky. This paint has no VOCs, zero smell, and easy to paint indoors in an office environment. Adding 2 thin, even coats of gel stain to the top of this desk hides all the flaws that are there. When you top it with your clear coat, they will become invisible. When painting on your second coat, be sure to use a spray misting bottle filled with water to help eliminate brush strokes. You can apply your best staying wax in black with a small brush and then use your rag to buff it back to your desired effect.